lighting, ang ganda ng interior. Gusto ko maging proud sila na nagtatrabaho sila sa Bitina Farms.
Hey guys, welcome back to Making It Happen. I am Jill Salvador, and today I'm going to show you another interior design makeover. Not just any interior design makeover, but an office makeover. So right now we are at Bitina Farms Incorporated. So they are a broiler integrator company. If you don't know what that is, they actually supply fresh dressed chicken for supermarkets, restaurants. If you don't know what fresh dressed chicken is, I actually thought it was chicken that is dressed. But no, it is actually the fresh chicken that is supplied in supermarkets and their clients such as Andox and the Bistro Group. So right now, here in their office, it's actually not common for agricultural industries to have designed offices such as this. So we are very grateful as Madhouse Design Studio was chosen to design this beautiful space. So I wanted to change up a little bit with how my vlogs work. In the past 2 years of the pandemic, I have been just busy with surviving the business. And this year, that I want to talk about interior design and business altogether. So today, aside from showing you the interior design, I wanted to let you know on this business and how they were able to survive the pandemic, who these people are, and no better way to tell you about Bitina Farms is the owner himself. So right now, we are here with Sir Rick Talento. Hi, sir.
Hi.
Hello. Gusto niyo po ba ikwento paano nagsimula si Bitina Farms? Kasi ang ganda-ganda po ng office, ang ganda ng location. Tapos nabasa ko po sa company profile, ang dami yung mga farms. Paano po ba ito lahat nagsimula?
Actually, start ito is no choice ako. Magsasara ang kumpanya, so ang gagawin na, wala akong ibang alam na trabaho ito. So ang ginawa ko, namimili ng manok, kakatayin namin, kabibenta.
Ayun po ba na gusto niyo na sanang sabihin ayoko na?
Ano? Never.
Never. So kayo po yung tipong tao na tuloy lang
Yes.
kahit anong mangyari.
Saka ako parang once na gusto ko, ang ginagawa ko, masaya ako, kahit medyo mahirap, okay lang. Ayun, parang ini-enjoy ko eh.
Meron po ba kayong tips sa mga nagsisimulang nagninegosyo?
Simple lang. Kailangan alam mo yung ginagawa mo, ini-enjoy mo yung ginagawa mo, at gusto mo yung ginagawa mo.
Yun ang tatlong tips ni Sir Rick. So Sir Rick, lahat po tayo nakaranas ng pandemic.
Yeah.
Almost 2 years na ganito. Lahat ng industriya sa Pilipinas, sa ibang bansa, nakaranas ng hirap. Masasabi mo ba na apektuhan ang negosyo or industriya na meron ka
Yes.
sa agriculture?
Oo, marami. Pero sa akin, mas gumanda ang income ko ng pandemic.
Bakit po?
Nandyan lang yan sa paligid. May mga nandyan sa paligid na naglagay ng mga tindahan. Yun ang tinap namin.
Tinap niyo yung ganong opportunity?
Yes.
Wow!
Oo.
So, paano niyo po naisip yun or talagang nasa business
Nakikita namin yun.
So, tinap niyo sila isa-isa?
Oo,
Gusto
kasi
niyo
yung nagtitinda dyan, ay pagkain kasi yan eh. Hindi pwedeng sabihin bukas tayo kumain. So, yung pagkain yan, ilalabas doon sa palengke dahil hindi sila makapasok, maghahanap sila ng ibang outlet. Pero yung first, di ba, March, April talaga napakahirap. No?
close, halos.
Ay, yung manok mo, presyo ng 30 pesos. So yung iba, pinamimigay na lang.
Wow! Sana nando po ako nun.
Ay, marami.
Para sa mad cafe.
Marami yung mga farm na hindi nila ma-harvest. Sa manok kasi, pag yan ay harvest time na niya, let's say, yung edad niya ay, let's say, 28 days, hindi mo harvest, daily palugi ka niya ng palugi. Kasi patuka ka ng patuka. Na habang lumalaki, bumababa ang presyo noon.
Kasi matanda na yung chicken.
Hindi, malaki na, mahirap benta pag malaki. Ayun. So, ang gagawin niya, pinamimigay na lang.
Oh, wow. So, ilan na po ba ang total? 200 or 200 plus na staff?
Wala akong 200 plus siguro.
200 plus.
Yung iba kasi kami go eh. Dahil sa farm,
Mhm.
yung mga yun, karamihan doon. Dati, ilang cycle, tapos papaalam po, so hindi muna, piyesta sa amin. Mga ganun.
So, sa inyo po nagsimula ang idea ng Bitina Farms. 1 to 5 years, nahirapan. 5 to 20 years, nag-grow siya. And even in the pandemic, nag-grow lalo yung business. So, kayo po yung past, present. So, gusto ko po sanang malaman yung present and future. And I know your son is the one helping you for the expansion. Is it okay we invite him to talk with him?
Ay, mas yung magsalita ka sa
So, hi Sir Paolo.
Hello.
Hi ka sa camera. So, magka-work po kayong dalawa dito sa Bitina Farms. So, you started it hanggang present. Ikaw naman, present future plans. So, gusto ko sa'yo tanungin, ano ba ang plans for the future of Bettina Farms?
Ako na ba?
Actually, yung dad ko, gusto na mag-settle down sa yung business. Ayaw niya nang i-expand pa kasi ngayon masaya na siya kung nasan yung company, yung state ng company, ano yung nagpo-provide niya sa employees namin. At the same time, yung personal income, yung nakikita niya sa company. Gusto na ng dad ko tumigil. Pero,
Siguro partly.
sa ngayon, ang pinupush ko sa company namin is pumasok kami into more HRIs, mag-supply sa mga restaurants, sa mga groceries, sa mga hotels and other food institutions.
Yes. 50% ng salary nila.
50% kasi pay, living meals,
Hindi, pumasok.
Okay.
living meals every day. Tapos yung pabigas niya, tigi-isang sako lahat ng employee namin.
Of 200.
Yes.
Grabe, sir.
Tapos libreng hatid sundo. Nagkaroon na kami ng shuttle para sa employees, which is
Wala kasing masakyan.
Walang
natural
commute.
for an agricultural company. Marami yung humble lang si Papa.
So, in line with that, Sir Paolo, Sir Rick, what you were saying a while ago, the plans for the grocery stores, the restaurants, nafe-feel ko na timely na ngayon yung siya gagawin. Kasi in an economy na biglang bumagsak, pag nag-rise ka after that, ikaw yung lead player. Kasi ngayon pantay-pantay na halos. So, I think it's beautiful that you want to do that. So, Sir Rick, can you tell us about ba't naisipan mo magpa-design ng office? Kasi alam ko hindi unang gusto ng daddy mo magpa-design. Ano bang naisip mo? Bakit gusto niya magpa-design?
Well, as you said, ayaw talaga ng dad ko na gumastos para sa opisina namin. And kasi ang tingin niya, ang office is walang nako-contribute sa bottom line. Hindi siya income generating. Pero naisip ko na nung tinignan ko yung lumang office namin, sobrang late na lang talaga. And napansin ko yung mga employees namin, magandang loyalty nila sa company. Throughout the pandemic, talagang nagtrabaho sila para sa kumpanya. Naisip ko na maganda siguro i-reward yung i-reward yung hard work nila. So, tumingin ako ng mga designer and nakita ko si Madhouse. Tapos sa Madhouse ko nakita na mukhang kaya i-achieve ng Madhouse yung gusto ko sana reward para sa employees.
Nice. Sir, nagustuhan niyo naman po nung nakita niyo yung
Oo naman. Actually, yung office ko, sabi ko doon sa contractor, huwag gagalawin yan na, hindi yan kasali. So, hindi ginagalaw. Ngayon, nung ginawa na, teka, pati sa akin hindi. Kaya late, kaya hindi pa tapos
Ano
sa
po yun?
yung office ko.
Yung room niyo?
Oo. Sabi ko, isali yun sa akin. Ngayon na lang ako nagpaano.
Nung nakita niyo na?
Oo, halimbawa, pagpasok dito, ganda. Tapos pagkatino sa ako, pag ganito, ang boss, pag ganito.
Pero nung nakita niyo yung design, nagbago po yung isip niyo.
Yeah.
Parang gusto ko to para sa mga tao.
Oo naman. Proud din yung mga tao.
So, pagpasok po ba ng office, ano yung feeling na gusto mo, Sir Paolo? Pagpasok ng office sa reception, ano yung gusto mo maramdaman ng mga employees?
Na-mention ng dad ko na proud yung mga employees, which is yun talaga yung goal ko. Gusto ko pagpasok na ng opisina, makita nila yung signage namin na Bettina Farms, maganda yung lighting, ang ganda ng interior. Gusto ko maging proud sila na nagtatrabaho sila sa Bettina Farms.
So thank you guys so much for the interview. Thank you so much na nagbigay kayo ng oras ngayon. I know sobrang busy kasi nakikita ko yung mga taong daan ng daan dito. So, ano pong gusto niyo huling sabihin na parang advice or anything sa audience natin before we say goodbye?
Yes.
Kahit one advice lang po.
Yun lang pa rin naman. Mahalin mo kung anong ginagawa mo. Maging masaya kung anong mandyan.
Love what you have. Be happy at where you're working in. So in Bettina Farms, they value hard work. They value the people. So that is why this is like this. To show you the other spaces in this office, here is our junior interior designer, Micah.
Hi guys, I'm Micah, one of the junior interior designers of Madhouse Design Studio, and I'm here to talk about the 5 things I love about designing Bettina Farms. Number 1, right now we're here in the ground floor main office, wherein the main style for this is modern industrial. And as you can see, I was able to add faux bricks for their accent wall, and I was also able to add touches of wood and metal works in the ground floor. Number 2 is the conference room in the ground floor where the color scheme is much more lighter and it's accentuated by the accent light. If you like the conference room on the ground floor, number 3 is the conference room on the second floor. So this room is a lot bigger and a lot more elegant with the accent wall behind me and also an edgy drop light to accentuate the whole room. Number 4 is the reception area. So despite this being an office for an agricultural industry, I wanted the interior to look very modern and sleek by using marble, wood slats, and a touch of gold for elegance.
And number 5, my favorite in Micah's design is the lounge area.
So the focal point of this area is the accent wall behind us. So this is where they could display all of their decors, awards, and plaques of achievement. Also, this area has a very inviting color scheme and also warm lighting.
So that's it, you guys. If you guys want us to design your home, your office, even your restaurant, email us on the email details below. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye!